This is a complex fragrance created with elaborated and diverse notes with amazing olfactory profile. This orchid leaves a deep impression with its graceful, beautiful blooms and impressive aroma. It is wonderfully scented with hints of oranges, florals, and coriander. Such complexity, which is why we love it so much. Wouldn't you like to start off your morning with a calm confidence? The infusion of these fragrant therapeutic orchid notes surrounds you with its lovely scent, adding a polished touch to the overall aroma while easing your anxiety and stress levels. This therapeutic orchid is used as an Asian remedy for a broad variety of infections such as malaria, sore throat, and even help with traumatic bleeding. Many people have also utilized it to remove wind from the body and relieve joint pains. Utilized extensively in India, this orchid is venerated and used for worship, especially in some parts of the country. Beyond that, it can protect skin against the harmful effects of sunlight and pollution, and also to treat diarrhea, eye lesions, and skin diseases. By itself, the orchid scents make for a beautiful fragrance composition. However, there are some added notes to create an even more dynamic and compelling scent. A perfect summer scent, Mediterranean sea notes are featured in perfumes to introduce aqua and clean notes. Capturing the freshness and vitality of oceans, this ingredient is the perfect enhancer for a fresh fragrance, evoking feelings of refreshment and promoting a sense of calmness. The other ingredient is sweet olive, more commonly known as osmanthus. These dainty white blossoms carry hints of peach and apricots, with a milky and almost woody nuance to it. Complex yet mouthwatering and works amazingly in perfumes. Sweet olive essential oil is effective in its calming and soothing properties, which can help elevate positive moods and manage stress levels. When consumed as tea, it carries many powerful health benefits, ranging from helping with weight loss, reducing high blood pressure, to aiding in digestion. A classic and ancient perfume ingredient, myrrh has a rich history and has been used for centuries as religious incense, in perfumery, and for medicinal purposes. With an earthly, warm, and musky scent, myrrh provides warmth and depth to any fragrance, enhancing the longevity. Refreshing aqua notes and depths of woody hues are integrated in a beautifully revitalizing fragrance that gives the wearer a sense of vibrancy. A truly perfect fragrance for the relaxed and free-spirited souls, sparking and utterly alluring yet powerful enough to bring you through the whole day.